Okay, so yesterday I went to make a clip and upload it, and there was troubles. So I've got more time today, and it's in the daylight anyway, so we'll make a series of couple little clips. To start with, I gotta start the Saturn because we're gonna drive that later, and it hasn't been driven in a day or so, and they get a little grumpy. Let's see. It's my mother-in-law's old Saturn that, as soon as she gives me the title, I'm gonna advertise and sell. It's been a good little car for us for the past 8-9 years that she's had it. I don't really care for it because it's a sad little automatic Saturn. Come on. I know it's cold. Sometimes when she's cold, she just does not want to go. It might be part because it needs a fuel filter, and in these Saturns, the fuel filters regulate the fuel pressure. Come on, come on, come on. Whoa, what was that? You've started in colder weather than this. That's odd. Usually she has more luck by now. Battery's getting a little better. Come on. See, you have the gas in you, so we want to drive you because, well, you have the gas in you. Come on, you can do it. Start up. My goodness. Oh, what was that? Come on, fight it. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There she goes. Poor thing. Turn the remote start unit on. Let you run for 15 minutes until you're warm. Yeah, automatic Saturn. Power up it. It's got tape deck. Yeah. And loose plastic, and air conditioning still works. It's a 99. Normally it starts a hell of a lot easier. Man, that's the worst it's been. And I've started it in colder weather than this, but I guess if you don't start it every day in this cold, that's gonna be what happens. Now, Athena's probe, I'll bet you. My wife's probe, I bet you she'll pop right over. Well, of course. Come on. There we go. Might as well let her run too. Let's see. I know the Shelby will start. There's not a doubt in my mind on that one. It's because I finally plugged the block heater in. Some days I just didn't get it plugged in, and it makes it troublesome. But yeah, here's the damage I sustained. I ran into a woman New Year's Eve. During the daylight even, it was like, what, 4:45, so it was still light out, but it was hazy and foggy because it was snowing. And of course I had my fog lights, which are on when the key is on, and my headlights on, but she had nothing on. And coming through a parking lot, I go around a turn and I didn't see her because she's in a light gold minivan. But so yeah, it busted out my turn signal lens, screwed up the headlight lens assembly. Luckily my plastic fascia all appears to be just fine. It's flexible enough. It pushed the fender in down here, flared the fender out right there, so that's sticking out pretty good. Busted the license plate frame, not like it really frickin' matters. Yeah, so not bad. Just for the hell of it, seeing as I got the video going here now. Nice and stiff because it's cold. Let's see, we get the high-speed throttle. Turn on the pump and let it pump up. 1, 2, 3. Of course. Now if I turn off the high-speed idle, not enough to stay running without your foot on the throttle. But that thing started easy. That thing, see, frozen door. Frozen door. There we go. That block heater's obviously cheating, but hey, if you got it, use it. It's not a bad idea, right? And I suppose this video's about up, so we'll change up and do another one.